You want to come to the relationship aware and want to have a relationship, not needing to have a relationship. In order for someone to love you, you need to be confident, you need to understand yourself, and you need to be authentic. That's not just trivial, because most of the time you kind of like craving the love that you yourself don't have. And you come from a place of lacking, from a place of desiring very strongly, even demanding the love of the other person. The moment that you demand, you're not gonna get it. So in order for you to receive the love that you want, you need to come from a place of knowing yourself, being truthful, authentic, honest. Even for if you have vulnerabilities or weaknesses, that's normal. Accept that, share that, be who you are. That's the best way to gain the love that you want.